Today we will see one medicinal plant. The botanical name of that plant, that is the Morinda Citrifolia, family Rubiaceae. Part used, that is all plant parts is medicinally useful, but the main medicinal part, that is the fruit, which is used in Indian medicines. The vernacular name of that plant, that is the Indian mulberry, or generally in the Konkan area it is called as noni. The center of origin of that plant, that is the Southeast Asia. Habitat, mostly that plant grows in a shady forest, open rocks and sandy seashores. The gross morphology of that plant. That plant, which is the small tree, while you observe the young branches, that young branches, these are the quadrangular one, that means the four angled. There is a presence of hairs, you can call that is the tomentos. While you observe the leaves, these are the broadly elliptical, densely tomentos. Then we will observe the flower, that flower which is in a dense globose axillary peduncle clusters. The calyx, which is the truncate one, hairy outside. While you observe the corolla, that corolla which is the white one, funnel shaped, hairy outside but not hairy at the mouth. Lobes, these are present, and such a lobes, these are the hairy on the back. While you observe the fruit, that fruits, these are the irregularly globose, pyrinose, ovoid, compressed, winged on the edges. The chemical constituents, those are present in the Morinda Citrifolia, or we can say that is the active ingredients. The lignans, which is the present, as well as some oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, flavonoids, fatty acids are also present. A beta cetosterol alkaloids are also present in such a plant. The main micronutrients in a pulp powder is the vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B3. It is the major source of that three vitamins, as well as there is a presence of iron, some micronutrients as well as the minerals, these are also present, that is calcium, sodium. The medicinal uses of Morinda citrifolia, mostly it is used for overall maintenance of the good health, as well as the prevention of some diseases like skin diseases, brain diseases, gastrointestinal tract diseases, heart diseases, liver, as well as the one chronic disease, that is the cancer disease. The bark mostly produces a brownish purplish dye that may be used for making the batik. It is also used by mouth for the colic as well as the convulsions, cough. In a diabetes also it is very useful. Also used for painful urination troubles, stimulating the menstrual flow. It is also used in different types of the fevers, mostly used in liver diseases, constipation as well as the vaginal discharging during the pregnancy. It is also used in a malarial fever and nausea. It is also used for the smallpox as well as the enlargement of the spleen, on swellings. It is also used for curing the asthma in arthritis as well as and other bone and joint problems. It also used for curing the different types of the colds, depressions, particularly in digestive problems and gastric ulcers. It also reduces the high blood pressure and also used in various infections as well as in kidney disorders, in a migraine, headache, as well as the premenstrual syndromes, strokes, on a different pains and sedations.